Hi there and welcome back. This video is the part 2 of what does equals mean. So make sure you watch part 1 to make sure you get the meaning of the word equals. So in this video, you're going to practice figuring out if we have equal amounts of items. You'll also get to see what equals means in addition problems. Alrighty, so first up, we are going to figure out if we have an equal amount of Hershey Kisses on both sides. On this side, I see I have 3 Hershey Kisses. On this side, I have 3 Hershey Kisses. 3 is the same amount or number as 3, so I can say I have equal amounts of Hershey Kisses. 3 is equal to 3. Alright, now let's look at these jars of Play-Doh. On this side, how many jars of Play-Doh do I have? 2. On this side, how many do I have? 5. So, to figure out if these two numbers are equal, I need to look at if I have the same amount. 2 is not the same as 5. So, these two stacks of Play-Doh are not equal. Now let's look at some gummy bears. On this side, how many gummy bears do I have? 6. On this side, how many do I have? 3. Is 6 the same amount as 3? No, 6 is not the same amount as 3. So can we say these are equal? No, they are not equal because 6 is not the same amount as 3. Alright, now let's look at these slices of pizza. On this side, I see I have 5 slices of pizza. And on this side, I have 5 slices of pizza. Is 5 the same amount as 5? Yes, it is. So I can say that our two groups of pizza are equal because I have the same amount. 5 is equal to 5. Alright, so remember, equals means the same amount. When we see an equal sign, it's usually in a math problem like this one. I'm going to read this like a sentence from left to right. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So when we use equals in a math problem, we are saying that what is on one side of the equal sign will be the same amount as what is on the other side of the equal sign. So I know if I have 1 apple and I add 1 more apple, then I will have 2 apples on this side. If I look on this side, I also have 2 apples. So I can say 1 plus 1 is the same amount or is equal to 2. Now let's check that 2 plus 3 equals or is the same amount as 5. So on this side of the problem, I see I'm starting with 2 oranges and I'm adding 3 more. 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 oranges on this side. Is that equal to the 5 oranges that are on this side? Yes, they are the same amount. So I can say 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. All right, last one. Let's check that 5 plus 2 equals 7. On this side of the problem, I'm adding together 5 plus 2. Count with me. 5, 6, 7. On this side of the problem, I have 7 buttons. So is 7 on this side equal to 7 on this side? Yes, because they are the same amount. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. I hope that was a helpful review of and practice of finding amounts that are equal